Students at App State University are back in class for the first time since Helene passed through the Carolinas, damaging the campus and surrounding areas.
University leaders say getting the campus back open was a large task. There was a lot of debris and mud that had to be removed from buildings. Administrators also had to consider infrastructure and internet access for the surrounding community. We're told some students and faculty members lost their homes in the storm. The Chief Communications Officer tells us that while students have missed a couple weeks of classes, the academic calendar will not change.